Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. We are here with another mail vlog. And guys, this was pretty unexpected. We got 2 packages last time, so we weren't expecting a whole lot more this time around, but Coda was out doing some running around today. She decided to stop at the P.O. box, and lo and behold, we got quite a few things here today. We got quite a few things in the P.O. box, and to say that we are excited is a bit of an understatement. You should have seen Coda earlier today. She was so giddy with excitement. Like, she saw all of this stuff, and she wanted to open it up immediately, even without me. So,
Can you see him? Do you see why?
Yeah, she saw the porg and she immediately wanted to get started. So let's not waste any more time. Thank you guys so much for sending stuff out to us. We are beyond thankful that you guys sent us this stuff, and we're just thankful that people want to send us anything, to be completely honest. So thank you guys so much for sending this stuff out. If you guys do want to be featured in the next mail vlog video, then definitely check out the address in the description below. Send us a postcard or something and you will be featured in the next P.O. box video. So babe, what do you want to open first?
Start with the little stuff.
Start with the little stuff? Okay, so we're going to move some of these bigger packages off to the side. The first envelope comes from Carico, or is it Carico? I'm not sure. It's from Albuquerque, New Mexico, so I'm assuming it's Carico. Sent to our P.O. box, and of course has the porg. Coda was super excited for that, so...
Don't you dare!
Okay, so we'll use... Well, if I cut what's inside there, this is on you. Actually, I think it's on the bottom. We'll cut it open from the bottom. I see the shadow. Oh my god! That is adorable. I'm gonna zoom into that a little bit later. But look at that. It's Mando with a cat instead of Baby Yoda. That is adorable. And we also have a postcard from New Mexico over here. So let us read this. September 15th, 2020. Dear Adrian, Coda, and Nugget. Hello from Albuquerque, New Mexico. We absolutely love watching your channel, especially all the food, catching all the Karens and Kens without their masks on, and anything with Coda and Nugget in it. This is some cool art we got for you by our friend at Classic Arts. XOXO Patrick and Mary Carico. Thank you so much. This is absolutely awesome. Look at the stickers on it as well.
It's so cute.
I love it. I love it. Thank you guys so much. This artwork is absolutely phenomenal, honestly. It is super cute. It's really cute. We're definitely going to be putting this in the background of our videos. Thank you. Thank you so much. All right, next up, we have a little cardboard envelope over here from Alyssa Ross from Brampton. What is that? Ontario. I'm sorry. I'm bad with geography. But this is from Canada. That is insane. That is insane. It's got little stamps of flowers on it, too. I'm super excited for this. Ontario, Canada. That is crazy. What is this? Ooh. That is so cool. It's a Haunted Mansion stretching room painting, but in a different art style. That is so interesting. That's really cool. And it looks like there's a note in here, too. I'm going to crack this open. Oh, look. Aww. Okay, so this is like, I don't know what you would call this art style. But this is so cool. Like, it's very hard to tell in the camera. I'm going to zoom into this, obviously, and show you guys. But this looks so interesting. I love it.
It's really cute.
It's a very interesting art style. And it looks like we have a note in there, too, that Coda's going to pull out. So you can read this one. Yeah, put you on the spot. Okay, Coda doesn't want to read it, so I will. Hi, Theme Park Express. Greetings from Ontario, Canada. This summer, we were planning on going to Orlando, but because of the pandemic and the border closing, it was not an option anymore. I'm so sorry to hear that. I lost my inspiration to create art, and going to Disney always helps me. Thank you so much for making your videos. Watching your videos helps me get a bit of my inspiration back. I wanted to give you and Coda some art prints of the pieces I made this summer. I'm a graphic designer and illustrator, and it's my dream to work for Disney as a fine artist. The original art was done with alcohol markers and cut paper, with a background painted in acrylic paint. Hope you like them. Sincerely, Alyssa Ross. You made these? Oh my god.
It's so cool.
That is awesome. This is incredible art. This is incredible. I would buy this. Like, I would buy the legit art. Like, I know these are just prints, but I would buy this legit art, would you?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
This is awesome. I love it. Thank you so much. And the last envelope we have is from Lisa King from Paterson, New Jersey. I hope this is the Lisa King that we see in the live streams all the time. She is a regular in the live streams, so we know her well. She is a medical worker, so give her a shout out in the comments section, please, for all the fantastic work that she does in the medical field. Thank you so much, Lisa King. And I am terrible at opening envelopes. I am very sorry. All right, happiness blooms wherever you are. That's so cute. It's a little card. Let's see. Adrian, Coda, and Nugget. Me and my family really enjoy your vlogs. Always brighten my day in these crazy times. Stay safe and healthy, Lisa. Thank you so much, Lisa. This was so nice. I really like this.
That's pretty.
It's really pretty. It's got glitter all over it too. It's already getting all over my hands. Glitter is the STDs of the art world. You can never get rid of it, and it is so easy to transfer. But I love it. I love this card. Thank you so much, Lisa King. All right, let's get into some of the bigger items over here. We have a tube, a cardboard tube. I'm not sure how to open this.
Me either.
This is like a poster tube, I think.
Is this tube a test? A test tube, if you will.
I will cut you. Koda, as always, with the bad jokes. She's here all week, everybody. Ha! Satisfying sound.
It's empty.
It is not empty. Put this down here. All right. I think. Look at the. Ooh. Ooh. DNA. Okay. Name these animals.
That's a jellyfish. That's a dolphin. Some sort of squid. Looks like a Dumbo squid.
A Dumbo squid?
But
Is that really what they're
it's a
called?
Dumbo octopus.
But this is so nice. It's DNA with the jellyfish, dolphin, and I guess Dumbo squid.
Some sort of squid.
Some sort
It's
of.
a cuttlefish.
Is it a
Damn
cuttlefish?
it.
Never mind. It's a
No.
cuttlefish.
I think.
I
Does
think
that not look like a
it
cuttlefish?
looks like a cuttlefish. But anyways, this is super nice.
Honestly, the first thing I could think of was a nautilus, and I'm like, it's not a nautilus. It doesn't have a shell.
This is so nice. I like this. This is so cute. I definitely want to find a way to frame this. Put this in a little frame because this is awesome. I love it. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, by the way, we never even read who this was from. This is from Hamilton Crockett, another regular in our live streams. Are you going to read that one?
There's a piggy. It says oink.
So yeah, Hamilton Crockett from Baton Rouge, L.A. Or Louisiana. I'm bad at geography. Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Are you going to read this one?
Yes.
Okay.
Hello, Adrian and Dakota, or Coda. Hope your classes are going well, and you and your families are healthy and safe. I love drawing and wanted to make a custom couple art piece for you. Hope you both like it. I wasn't sure what favorite aquatic animals you both like, but I know Coda has a jellyfish tattoo, so I incorporated a little jelly. I usually draw plants. Those are more my forte, but I wasn't sure if y'all are plant people. I also have an Etsy shop if you like my art or your friends and family do. Bee Leaf Prints. It's mostly plants though. Love your channel and your positivity. I live too far from Orlando for routine trips, so I live through your videos. Stay safe, Hamilton Crockett, Ham, and then there's a little piggy.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That is awesome. Yes, we will definitely check out your Etsy shop because this is phenomenal work. And if you can do something like this with marine animals, then I definitely am interested in your work. Also, Coda whispered manatee. She loves manatees. Anything manatee related, Coda loves. So in case you guys are wondering for the future, anything manatee related, and Coda will love you forever. Just saying. But thank you so much, Hamilton. This was awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. We're definitely going to frame that, and we're going to put it in the background of our videos. Thank you so much. All right, so now we have an Amazon package. Not entirely sure who it's from.
I hope there's a note inside, because
Yeah,
you can do that.
I definitely hope there's a note inside. Watch it be like one of us forgot that we ordered something.
Yeah, like, here's some forks.
One of us probably ordered something from Amazon and we completely forgot. But
Back-ordered toilet paper from Amazon.
face mask that we ordered months ago. I see something with Star Wars.
Oh!
Oh my God! There's no note. We don't know who it's from. But oh my God, it's Baby Yoda pins. This is awesome. Oh my gosh, we're gonna do a zoom in on it afterwards, but this is so adorable.
Nugget pins.
Nugget approves, I'm sure. This is fantastic. This is adorable, honestly. I'm sure Coda's gonna find a good use to put these pins. Like, she's gonna find someplace nice to put these. I honestly don't even want to take them out of the box.
I know.
They're so nice. I love them. If I could turn any of these into an emote on the channel, I totally would. Because this is just adorable, honestly. So yeah, there is no note in here, but thank you so much. Yank. He tried. But thank you so much to whoever sent that. Please let us know down in the comment section below so that we can properly thank you. Okay, so this is the very last package. And again, it doesn't have who sent it, but at the very top it says Square Enix Fulfillments. Last time I checked, Square Enix is a game company that makes Kingdom Hearts. However, the fulfillments is from a Nevada address, so I'm not entirely sure. I'm not getting my hopes up for anything Kingdom Hearts related, but again, there's no sender on here, so we don't know who sent this to us. Alright, what is this? It is Kingdom Hearts related. Oh my gosh. It's a Kingdom Hearts Bring Arts figure. Yo! Oh my God. This is insane. I've always wanted a Bring Arts figure. And of course, it's Halloween Town Sora. I love it. It's got Sora, a bunch of different masks. It's got the Kingdom Key and the Decisive Pumpkin.
You spit all over that.
I'm sorry. But I am just too excited. It's got different hands and everything. Yo, this is insane. And these things are not cheap, too. Bring Arts figures are not cheap either. Holy cow.
There's no note on the packing slip.
There's no note on the packing slip. Who sent me this? This is insane. Thank you so much. Again, I don't even want to take it out of the box. I do not even want to take it out of the box. This is just too awesome. Thank you so much. You guys know that I do live streams on the channel. We try to stick to our schedule of every Thursday and Sunday, and we play Kingdom Hearts on stream, but oh my gosh, Kingdom Hearts is my favorite franchise of all time. And this is absolutely insane. I never thought that I would own a Bring Arts figure. So thank you so much for this. This is absolutely insane. This is awesome. Thank you. Please drop your name down in the comment section below if you sent this to us, because I need to thank you properly. Thank you so much. Alright guys, well that is going to do it from us with another mail vlog. Thank you guys so much for everything that you sent. Again, if you guys want to be featured in the next mail vlog, our address to the P.O. Box is down in the description below. Definitely be sure to check that out. Thank you guys again so much for watching today's video. Drop a comment. Let me know what you guys thought of today's video. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new around here. Ring that bell. Get notified whenever I upload a new video like this in the future. If you want to get a shout out in each and every single one of our videos, hit the join button down below and become a tier 3 member of the Express Squad today. I hope you are all having a wonderful day, morning, afternoon, evening, and we will see you guys in the next video.